Okay, so with all the storms, there is all kinds of damage all over the Metroplex. But one of the things we can do to help you is we're going to have rain here coming in shortly. So we want to make sure that we get a tarp put on your roof to kind of help mitigate any potential water damage that may be occurring in your property. So just give me a call. I'll come out. I'll put a tarp on your house. We'll get it set up. We'll get the insurance claim filed as well. We can help you do that as well. And get you in a position so that the adjuster can come out and they can assess the property damage, and we can go from there. Okay, look forward to hearing from you.